Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to use voice mode on Roblox mobile, so let's start. So first let's go to our Play Store, and here in Play Store you have to find an app that is called Microsoft Microphone Live. However, if you don't find it, probably your device don't have this app for installing, so you have to find an app that leave you to use a Microsoft online, in this case for Roblox. So you have to find one, and if you find it, probably you can use it on your Roblox account. So you have to find it, and if you find the microphone, just install it, and then when you install it you can use when you're talking on chat on Roblox mobile. So that's how it works. If you have a jailbreak, you can find without any problem, guys. So I hope this information works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.